Hey everybody, and welcome to an extra little video. Okay, a little video, but nevertheless a very important one. Well, what's it all about? Well, a while back, actually quite a while back, in my hangout group on Facebook, I was talking to a bunch of fellow artists, and they started fooling around and talk about a competition where they wanted to make a 3D character model of yours truly. Now, I kind of checked their sanity, why on earth they wanted to make a model of me, but nevertheless, they decided to go for it. A couple of people actually did, and I want to share the results with you guys, right? So check it out and leave in the comments below what you think. Here we go.